Okay, students, now we are on the third video lecture of our Unit 3 organizing. So, in previous two video lecture of the Unit 3, we have discussed what are the various type of organizing method and what are the importance of departmentation and decentralization and centralization activities. So, technique of job enrichment. So, increasing the responsibility of the activity, providing wider scope or more frequencies and increased, so allowing the employees to set their own standards, providing the employee to the control the information and encouraging the employees. What are the steps in job enrichment? Selecting those jobs which permit close relationship between the motivation and the job performance. Concentration of motivational factors such as principle of job enrichment, change aimed at the engineering job, removing some control, so making periodic report directly available to the worker himself. So the slide indicate characteristic of an enriched job design, direct feedback and then client relationship. So traditional work versus knowledge work, locus of work, focus of work. These are the difference between these two. Next one is the human resource management. So human resource management take very important part in the organizing. So introduction to the human resource management. What is the concept of human resource management? Functions of management function, operational advisory. So managing by grouping organization, by coordination among the worker. So introduction to human resource management is the most important function in the organization, designed to maximum employees' performance in tune with human resource management. HRM is the process of making the efficient and effective use of the people so that the organization and individual goals are achieved. Human resource management. What is it? Who study it? So the slide indicates the importance of the HRM. Historical development. Vital principle of HRM were used in the particular time. So 1750 BC Code of HRM. Promote welfare of the people, make justice, destroys evil, property right, etc. Some of the ancient instances in the 1st century had Roman philosopher, the origins of the labor, colonial era, the revolutionary era, growth of the nation, or the history of the human resource management. Taylor's scientific management, Redwood studies, Maslow hierarchy of need, or indicating the importance of human resource management. The first recorded modern case of the deciding the separate unit of departmentation. So scenario in the 20th century, the spread of multinational and large composition created in highly skilled labor. So industrial, it indicates industrial relation, personal relation, employee relation and human resources. Scope of HRM. So it is as to introduction of HOA, employee hiring, employee remuneration, employee motivation, etc. So HR functions are managerial function, operative function, advisory functions. So managerial function: planning, organization, directing, control, operative, accession, training, development, motivation, maintenance. Advisory function: top management, department head. Managerial function: planning, organizing, directing and controlling. So already we have discussed about the planning and so what is the need of human resource planning? Employment, unemployment situation, technological change, organization change, demographic change, skill shortage, etc. 4 planning phases: gathering and establishing manpower. That involves designing. So we have to conclude with this topic. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your questions. Okay.